The best traders don't rely on predictions, they simply trade the market in front of them. Markets only provide information, not certainty. Your true advantage comes from precision, not prediction. Your mind is programmed to predict, but this mental code creates the illusion of control. Real edge is not knowing what the market will do next. It comes from how you respond to uncertainty. Each trade is merely one possibility among many. Embrace uncertainty. Trade probabilities, not predictions. Professional traders don't chase correctness. They execute consistently, detached from outcomes. Your edge isn't your strategy or indicators. Your real edge is your disciplined execution. The moment you hesitate or second guess, emotions replace your edge, destroying your advantage. Your true job is not beating the market, it's flawlessly executing your trading rules. Trading isn't about winning every trade, it's about disciplined execution again and again. Your trading edge is simple yet powerful. Rules multiplied by discipline, multiplied by execution. This EA doesn't hesitate, it executes trades exactly as programmed. No emotions, no doubts. Your trading edge isn't magical, it's mechanical. Trust your rules, discipline, and consistent execution. Want to turn trading psychology into consistent action? Subscribe now and build your discipline into results.